Good morning, everyone. My name is Joshua. I am one of the IoT students here at CNM. And for my capstone, I made a smart pet feeder. So about me, I'm 17. I took this class right out of high school. I am a current student at UNM, and I will be majoring in computer science with a minor in economics. So some of my hobbies were soccer, hanging out with friends, and going to the gym. So some of the challenges I got into within this project was getting the stepper motor to align with a slot that I've made for the food to dispense, for pebbles to dispense. That was definitely one of the challenges because at times it would stay open and not rotate, do a full rotation that I needed it to. Another problem I had definitely was creating a case for it. I was not sure what kind of design or how I would set it up. So that was definitely one of them, and I got through it. So for some odd reason, the Photon 2 was having connection problems. So when I needed to see if my code was working, it would take a while, maybe a good 30 to 20 minutes to connect. So my inspiration for my capstone was people are rarely home, they're always busy, or they rarely have anyone home to feed their pets. And I'm one of them. I am rarely home. I am either out on the street or with my girlfriend. So I am rarely home, and my parents often tell me to feed them. So I preferred to create a way where I could feed them when I'm not there with using a dashboard or a set timer for that. So the pet feeder will feed your pet every couple hours and will monitor the temperature, the area that it is placed in. So it would measure temperature, humidity, and pressure. And using an ESP32 cam, will send a photo every 5 minutes to a Adafruit dashboard so you can see if your pet has food or not. So combining automated feeding with environmental monitoring and live video streaming, the project addresses common challenges of pet care, making it easier for the owner to maintain a constant feeding routine and ensure their pets are well fed even if they are not home. So the components I used were an OLED, a BME 280, a stepper motor, two push buttons, the 3D printers, a laser cutter, the wood shop, and then an ESP32 cam. So here's a bit of my code for the button. When pressed, it will rotate once clockwise. Pressed again, rotate counterclockwise. Pressed a third time, it will do a half rotation clockwise, and then another press again, it will do a fourth rotation going counterclockwise. So here's my fritzing for my project from Capstone. A bit of my schematics. And then a short video of how I created my pet feeder.
Can you run the last word she's
I probably had to print out the case with the laser cutters a good 4 times after it airs. And that's my finished product. So this is where you can contact me. It has my email information, my Hackster, and my GitHub. So thank you guys for coming to my capstone presentation.